Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to transfer photos from one phone to another. Let's get started. Here I have opened my Android phone. So after that, we can click on Gallery app on our Android phone. Then choose the photos that we want to transfer. For example, I'm going to transfer photos from the camera folder, and just tap and hold on the photo. Then click on the another photo that you want to transfer, like this guys. After that, after we selecting the photos, we can click on this share button. Then hold on guys, it's still loading. Alright, and you can choose either you want to share by WhatsApp or Instagram or Telegram. It's up to you. You can choose it as you like, and there are a lot of options you can use. Even you can share it to Drive and to Facebook. It's up to you guys, and you can explore it by yourself. You just have to scroll the screen to find the options. And you can also share these photos by nearby share option or nearby share features that available on Android. And that's how we can transfer photos from one phone to another. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.